everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor. Thank you so much for stopping by. If it's your first time here, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. So today's video is going to be me applying for pre-settled status. I'm very lucky and I have dual citizenship between America and Malta. So because of Brexit, and who the hell knows what's going on with Brexit, I just want to get this out of the way. You have to apply for either pre-settled or settled status if you have an EU passport. So I can't apply for settled status yet because I've not been here for 5 years, but I've been here for almost 2 years. I am allowed to apply for pre-settled status, so that is what I'm going to be doing. You need an Android phone to be able to apply for that, so I borrowed my friend's. I've downloaded the EU Exit ID document check. It says, use this app to confirm your identity as part of your EU settlement scheme application. This helps protect you against identity theft and means you will not have to send your identity document to us. Take an image of your document. You'll be asked to take an image of the personal details shown on your document. Check your document's information. You'll be asked to place the phone on your identity document. This will check the electronic information stored in it so we know it's genuine. Scan your face. You'll be asked to scan your face using the phone. This protects your identity. If you're aged 10 years or younger, you will not be asked to scan your face. Take a photo of yourself. You'll be asked to take a photo of yourself on the phone. This checks the document belongs to you. The photo will be used on the record that proves your status in the UK. So I'm gonna start. Are you an EEA or Swiss national? Yes, I am an EEA. I will use my passport. So take an image of my passport. So this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, make sure you're in a well-lit room. The whole page is on the inside frame and there's no glare on the page. Okay, so an image of your document has been successfully taken. My email address, so we will use this to send you updates about your application. All right, enter your mobile phone number. We'll send you a validation code to your phone. You'll need this to continue. All right, so I'm sending a code to my phone. I've gotten the code. Okay, access the chip in your passport. This is so we can check the information stored in your passport. Close your passport and remove any cases you have on the phone or your passport before you continue. Place the phone on your passport. I hope it works. Sometimes it doesn't scan in the machine, so I really hope it works. Information checked. Okay, so now I have to scan my face. So it says if screen will flash as it scans your face. Scanning takes a few seconds. Follow the instructions on the screen. We'll tell you when the scan is complete. Okay. That's so bizarre. Face scan successfully. Take your photo. This is for the record that proves your status in the UK. Make sure in your well-lit room, look straight at the camera, keep a plain expression, do not smile or frown. So this is the information that has been scanned from your document. Submit. So now complete your application on the gov.uk website. You'll need to answer questions about yourself, upload photos of documents if further evidence needed. You can either complete this application now on this phone or later using the link we've sent to your email. I'm gonna continue it now. I'm in a queue. My wait time is less than a minute. Application type. Do you have dual nationality? Yes. What other country? America. Any previous nationalities? No. Do you have a document certifying? No. Have you ever been granted? No. I've never been granted indefinite leave to remain. Have you had your EEA or Swiss nationality since you were born? No. What year did I get it? I got it in, let's see, 2014. Residence in the UK. Are you in the UK? Yes, I am in the UK now. Just looking for my address now. Are you known by any other names? No, my name is the same. Do you have a national insurance number? Yes, I do. This is just asking me about criminal stuff, and I have no criminal activity, no extremist activity. And I am going to submit my answers. They're just like security questions if they need me. Before submitting your answers, you confirm that the documents you have uploaded are genuine to the best of your knowledge. You are eligible inhabitant resident in the UK for the period you apply for if you disagree with our data. Your photograph is an accurate likeness of you. We will process your information as detailed in our terms and conditions and privacy policy. If we find a mistake in your application, we will contact you to help you correct this. If your application meets the criteria under the EU settlement scheme, you'll be granted status. Your application may be refused and you can be persecuted if you deliberately provided false information. Did you have any help completing your application? No, I completed it myself. I can get into my emails. Check your result. You will get a result straight away. If you agree with the result, you can accept it and submit your application. If you disagree, this is not a problem. You can upload evidence of your residence. If we confirm you have been resident in the UK, you'll need to provide evidence of your residence. So you can get settled status, pre-settled status, or we need more evidence. Checking the records. So they need more evidence of my residence. So I'm seeing what I can use as evidence. So it says use documents that cover long periods of time if you can, such as annual bank statements, council tax bills, or university letters and certificates. This means you will not need to submit as many documents. Document with a single date on will count as proof of residence for that month only. For example, a monthly electricity bill, an official letter, or GP appointment card. The list of evidence below are not exhausted. Bank statement or account statement showing at least 6 months of payments received or spending in the UK. Employer letter confirming employment, council tax bill. This must be a really thrilling video for you. So I'm just gonna be uploading proof that I've been here. So I'm gonna get a bank statement right now because that's probably the easiest thing to do. This is a really thrilling video, I know. So because I am applying for pre-settled status, I only need to show that I was here for 1 day in the last 6 months for them to consider my pre-settled status. So my application is submitted. So what happens next is I'm gonna be getting a confirmation email, which I just received with my application number. There's nothing more for me to do. A caseworker will assess the information provided and contact me. When will I get a decision? Let's see what the current processing times are. Ooh, this is nerve-wracking. I already got it. I'm scared. Oh no, it says, it confirms the receipt of my valid application under the EU settlement scheme. I will receive a decision shortly. Okay, so I guess I'm waiting. This is so nerve-wracking. I will check back in with you. Let's see what it takes. Around 5 working days for applications to be processed, but it could take longer. So I guess I will check back in with you when I get this information back. I don't know when that'll be, so we'll see what happens. Hey everyone, so I have an update on my settled status situation. So I applied for my pre-settled status on September 27th. It is October 17th, so took a few weeks, but this morning I received an email and I've not opened it yet. So I am gonna open it now. So it says, Dear Taylor, thank you for your application. Please see the attached letter. Okay, so here it is. Dear Taylor Fuller, I am pleased to inform you that your application under the EU settlement scheme has been successful and that you've been granted limited leave in the United Kingdom for 5 years. I have been accepted, and that means that in about 3.5 years, I can now apply to stay here indefinitely. So yeah, I don't know if this video was interesting at all, but I figured might as well show the process and show how long it takes. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and there are new videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, and I will see you soon. Bye!